Today was such a special day for Bun. The morning started slowly, with sleepy little eyes and soft sunlight coming through the window. Bun stretched, smiled, and got ready for a brand new day. As soon as Bun saw Mom, Bun reached out for her hand and happily walked beside her all the way to the car. It felt like the start of a beautiful adventure. Bun's eyes lit up with excitement while exploring every single color one by one. Luna smiled and showed Bun how to use them. After breakfast, Bun spent the morning drawing with Luna. There were colorful markers, papers everywhere, and so many cute ideas to bring to life. Bun laughed, colored carefully. In the afternoon, Mom helped Bun get ready for the school closing ceremony. Bun sat patiently while Mom gently did the makeup, making Bun look extra pretty for the special event.
Wow!
When Bun arrived at school, it was finally time to change into a lovely dress. Surrounded by friends, laughter, and cheerful voices, Bun happily played and ran around before the ceremony started. Bun walked up proudly as the teacher handed over the certificate for finishing the school year. Bun held it carefully with the biggest smile, feeling proud, happy, and just a little emotional too. It was more than a certificate, it was a memory Bun would always keep close to the heart. From a sleepy little morning to a magical ending on stage, today became one of Bun's happiest days ever.